Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our comprehensive review of the top 5 best fishing paddle boards of 2025. Discover the perfect balance of stability, durability, and innovation in these remarkable boards. Stay tuned till the end to uncover an exclusive tip that will elevate your fishing experience to a whole new level of fishing pole. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Welcome back, outdoor enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of the BOTE Rackham Aero inflatable stand-up fishing paddle board. This 12 feet 4 inch board is designed for adults and kids alike, promising family-friendly fun. Let's explore why this ISUP is a game-changer. Stability and durability. First up, stability. The Rackham Aero boasts unmatched stability, perfect for both novices and pros. Its durable construction ensures it withstands the rigors of fishing trips. You'll love how confidently you can cast your line, even in choppy waters. Innovative features. Next, innovation takes center stage. The Apex pedal drive system offers hands-free navigation, making your fishing experience seamless. Plus, the MAGNEPod compatibility ensures your gear stays secure, giving you peace of mind on the water. Family-friendly design. This paddleboard is truly family-friendly. Its size accommodates both adults and kids, making it perfect for family adventures. Multiple color options mean you can choose one that matches your style, adding a splash of personality. Portability. Portability is key for any paddleboard, and the Rackham Aero doesn't disappoint. It's easy to inflate and deflate, ensuring hassle-free transport and storage. You'll be ready for your next adventure in no time. Conclusion. In conclusion, the BOTE Rackham Aero inflatable stand-up fishing paddleboard is a must-have for outdoor lovers. Its stability, innovative features, and family-friendly design make it a standout choice. Ready to elevate your fishing experience? Number 4. The Sea Eagle 285 Frameless Inflatable Pontoon Boat, your ultimate companion for hunting and fishing. It sets up in just 5 minutes, giving you unmatched convenience and incredible stability on the water. Let's dive in. Canoe ultra lightweight and portable. Weighing just 42 pounds, this frameless inflatable pontoon is perfect for those who want easy transportability. No need for a trailer, just pack it in your car and head to the water. Its compact design makes it ideal for anglers who love to explore remote fishing spots. High voltage quick 5-minute setup. Unlike bulky fishing boats, the Sea Eagle 285 inflates in just 5 minutes. The frameless structure eliminates bulky metal frames, allowing you to move freely. Whether you're standing to cast or reeling in a big catch, the sturdy platform keeps you balanced at all times. Fish designed for fishing and hunting. With rod holders, storage space, and motor mount compatibility, the Sea Eagle 285 is built for serious anglers. Whether you're targeting bass, trout, or even using it for hunting trips, this boat provides the perfect setup for a successful day outdoors. Flexed biceps, durable and built to last. Made from heavy-duty, puncture-resistant material, this boat can handle rough conditions without worry. The durable construction ensures years of reliable use, making it a solid investment for fishing and outdoor enthusiasts. Fishing pole conclusion, the best solo fishing boat. The Sea Eagle 285 frameless inflatable pontoon boat is lightweight, portable, and incredibly efficient. Number 3. The exceptional SUP Angler X Wide Inflatable Fishing Paddle Board. At 10 feet 8 inches by 35 inches, this versatile board promises an unforgettable fishing experience. Let's dive into why this paddleboard is a game-changer for all fishing enthusiasts. Unmatched stability. First up, the SUP Angler X Wide offers unparalleled stability. Its wide design ensures a steady platform, making it perfect for casting and reeling in your catch. You'll feel confident and secure on this board, even in choppy waters. Adjustable fishing rod holders. Next, let's talk about the adjustable fishing rod holders. These holders are designed to accommodate various rod sizes, giving you flexibility and convenience. Your fishing gear will always be within reach, allowing you to focus on the thrill of the catch. Accessory ports and packages. The accessory ports and customizable packages are a true highlight. You can tailor your paddle board with your choice of accessories, enhancing your fishing experience. From extra storage to additional seating, the possibilities are endless. Dual paddle and quad bungees. Equipped with a dual paddle and quad bungees, this board ensures you're always ready for action. The dual paddle makes navigation a breeze, while the quad bungees secure your gear, keeping everything organized and accessible. Portability and convenience. Portability is key, and the SUP Angler X Wide excels here. It's easy to inflate and deflate, ensuring hassle-free transport and storage. You'll be ready to hit the water in no time, wherever your adventure takes you. Conclusion. In conclusion, the SUP Angler X Wide inflatable fishing paddle board is a must-have for any fishing enthusiast. Its stability, innovative features, and customizable options make it a standout choice. Ready to elevate your fishing game? Number 2. The impressive ADVENOR paddle board. This 11 feet by 33 inches by 6 inches extra wide inflatable stand-up paddle board is perfect for all your water activities. Let's explore why this versatile paddle board is a must-have for both beginners and seasoned paddlers. Stability and size. First up, the stability and size of this paddle board are outstanding. Its extra-wide design provides a stable platform, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. You'll feel confident and secure, whether you're paddling on calm lakes or choppy seas. Basic version features. The basic version comes with a hand pump, leash, and adjustable paddle, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. These essential accessories make it easy to inflate and customize your board for the perfect paddling experience. Fishing version features. For fishing enthusiasts, the fishing version is a dream come true. It includes an extra kayak paddle, kayak seat, and 2 fishing mounts. These features make it ideal for fishing trips, allowing you to comfortably navigate and focus on your catch. Portability and convenience. Portability is key, and the ADVENOR paddleboard excels here. It's easy to inflate and deflate, making transport and storage a breeze. You'll be ready for your next adventure in no time, no matter where your journey takes you. Durability and quality. Durability and quality are paramount, and this paddleboard doesn't disappoint. It's constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of outdoor activities. You'll be investing in a reliable and long-lasting product. Conclusion. In conclusion, the ADVENOR paddleboard is a top choice for water enthusiasts. Its stability, versatile features, and superior quality make it a standout. Ready to elevate your water adventures? Number 1. The remarkable Sea Eagle FS 126 Inflatable Fish SUP. Measuring 12 feet 6 inches, this versatile paddleboard comes with paddles, a pump, a removable transom, and an optional seat. Let's explore why this fish SUP is a must-have for your fishing adventures. Versatile fishing platform. First, the Sea Eagle FS 126 offers a versatile fishing platform. You can sit, stand, fish, motor, or troll, adapting to any fishing situation. Its design ensures you have the perfect angle and position to catch that big one. Stability and durability. Next, the stability and durability of this fish SUP are top-notch. Its robust construction provides a stable platform, making it perfect for both calm and choppy waters. You'll feel confident and secure as you cast your line. Convenient accessories. The included accessories are a game-changer. With paddles, a pump, a removable transom, and a backpack, you have everything you need for a hassle-free fishing trip. The optional seat adds extra comfort, allowing for longer, more enjoyable excursions. Easy portability. Portability is a breeze with the Sea Eagle FS 126. It's easy to inflate and deflate, making transport and storage simple. You'll be ready for your next adventure in no time, no matter where your journey takes you. Customization options. Customization options enhance your fishing experience. The removable transom allows for motor attachment, giving you more mobility on the water. Tailor your setup to fit your needs and make the most of your fishing trips. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Sea Eagle FS126 Inflatable Fish SUP is a top choice for fishing enthusiasts. Its versatility, stability, and convenient accessories make it a standout product. Ready to elevate your fishing game? I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.